In this video, we're going to discover together the amazing benefits, uses, and side effects of bee pollen. Now, bee pollen is renowned for its rich nutritional profile. It's also secured its place among the top 10 superfoods, and also it has wonderful benefits. It also has a really strong foundational nutritional benefit as well, and it has a vital, important role in sustaining both bees and human health as well. So before we dive in the details of bee pollen and its structure, it's important to acknowledge the remarkable roles that the bee play in pollination. These master pollinators, particularly honeybees and bumblebees, they facilitate the transfer of pollen between flowers, fostering plant fertilization. And this process is not just essential for plant reproduction, but it's also important, and it is tied to the well-being of our ecosystem. Now, what is bee pollen? So bee pollen is the male reproductive spore of flowering plants, which is a wonderful blend between the bees and the flowers. So each pollen grain, though it is microscopic, accumulates into fuzzy electrostatically charged pellets on the hind legs of bees. Through a fascinating process involving nectar, the bees' enzymes, and the grains, bee pollen becomes a concentrated, energy-dense food source. So how is bee pollen harvested? Well, the worker bees start to collect this pollen. They store it in its structures called corbicula, or pollen baskets, and in the hives it serves as a vital source of energy, protein, nutrients for the colony. Beekeepers, when harvesting pollen for human consumption, they also carefully collect a portion while leaving some for the hive's well-being. How has bee pollen been used historically? Humans have been using the benefits of bee products, including honey and pollen, for nearly 15,000 years. There are references to the consumption of these products found in ancient texts from various cultures, and it's also really an important foundation in traditional diets. So let's have a look at their wonderful benefits, starting with a protein-rich superfood. So bee pollen is a protein mega powerhouse. It contains approximately 40% protein, and this makes it a complete source of all the 22 amino acids, including the essential 8. The golden granules are a nutrient-dense food. They offer a spectrum of vitamins and minerals that are crucial for optimal health. They also contain B vitamins and folic acid. So bee pollen emerges as a treasure trove of B vitamin as well, B complex, supporting energy metabolism and brain function. It is also really high in B9, or known as folic acid. It is important for pregnant women especially. It also has a rich mineral content because it has minerals such as calcium, iron, magnesium, also copper, zinc, and many more. These minerals all work together to contribute to our overall well-being, and they support various bodily functions as well. Bee pollens are also really rich in rutin and lecithin. So rutin is a flavonoid in bee pollen. It acts as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, benefiting vascular health. Additionally, bee pollen also contains around 15% lecithin, which is known for its role in brain function and fat breakdown. Bee pollen also contains enzymes as well, so it is a potent source of enzymes, including amylase, phosphatase as well, and catalase. These three enzymes aid in digestion, they maximize nutritional absorption, and they provide a natural energy boost. So once you incorporate small amounts of bee pollen into your daily diet, such as a smoothie, this is really important, especially if your meals lack raw fruits and vegetables. So there's a couple of important precautions you need to keep in mind when using bee pollen, because although it is rich in many health benefits as well, it is important to exercise caution, especially if you're new to consuming bee pollen. The tip here is to begin with small doses and gradually increase to avoid potential allergic reactions. Now, people with asthma or have a pollen sensitivity should always approach bee pollen cautiously. Also, pregnant and breastfeeding women as well should seek medical advice before incorporating it into their diet. It's also really important to support sustainable beekeeping, because as we witness alarming declines in bee populations globally, supporting sustainable beekeeping practices is really important. Backyard beekeeping